Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wrike mobile workflows for remote teams step by step clearly. Open your app store on your mobile device. Search for the Wrike app in the store. Download and install the Wrike app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Log in with your existing Wrike account credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Workflows section in the menu. Tap on Create New Workflow. Choose a workflow template that suits your remote team's needs. Customize the workflow by adding stages relevant to your team's processes. Name your workflow for easy identification. Set up notifications for task updates within the workflow. Assign roles to team members for each stage in the workflow. Save your changes before exporting the workflow. To implement the workflow, share it with your remote team. Encourage team members to familiarize themselves with the new workflow. Monitor the workflow's performance through the app. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize team collaboration. Utilize the comments section to facilitate communication within tasks. Regularly review the workflow to ensure it meets your team's evolving needs. By following these steps, you'll enhance your remote team's productivity with Wrike mobile workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.